Hey everybody, welcome back to Great Lakes Junction. Just wanted to do a quick follow-up video on our chicken stroganoff. I'm actually going to make it really quick, so I thought I'd bring you along so you can see the finished product when it's all done. So let's get to it. So all you need is your jar of stroganoff. I've got about 2 to 3 tablespoons of cornstarch here just to thicken it. We're gonna put some sour cream in it at the end. And I'm gonna put it over some egg noodles. So I have my water already started. So all we're going to do is we're gonna drain this off first, and I'm going to make the sauce, thicken it up and get it ready. Then I'm gonna put my chicken in it so it doesn't get all pulled apart and shredded. We still have a few chunks left. So I'm just gonna use my lid and put it on here to strain most of the liquid out. Oh, it smells so good. And if some of the other bits come out, the mushrooms and all that, that's fine. And the onions. Now we're just gonna put that on the stove and start warming it up. Okay, so we have a simmer going on. I'm just gonna turn it up just a tiny bit more. And I have my slurry made. I have about maybe a quarter of a cup of water mixed in with those 3 teaspoons of, or tablespoons of cornstarch. I sometimes find chicken broth hard to thicken, but this seems to be thickening good. Switch over to something that's not quite as noisy. I gave this a quick taste just to make sure that the spices were okay in it, and it tastes fantastic. So it's on about medium heat. So we have our chicken, and I've just put the jar on its side and just pried it apart just a little bit. So we have some big chunks in there. And again, if you like it shredded, then by all means just shred it and take it out. Probably shouldn't be using metal in my jar, but I am. Oops. And we're just going to leave this sit and let it heat up, and I'll stir it occasionally until it's heated right through. And we're just cooking our noodles as well. And if you want, you can put some vegetables on the side. I'm just going to have a quick salad to go with this. Okay, so we've thickened up. I'm just going to add in about half a cup of sour cream. I broke some of the chicken chunks up because they were like huge to try and eat. And I'm just going to gently stir this in. You can add in more mushrooms if you'd like, or more onions, or anything while it's cooking right now, because mushrooms cook fairly quick. So you could add them in there. And we'll turn all this off and let's go plate it up. Okay, so we have our noodles in there. We're just gonna put some of this on top. Oh, I can't wait to give this a try. There's still some big chunks of chicken in there and lots of mushrooms. Looks super good and it smells delicious. And if you want, you can just put a little bit of parsley on top for presentation. If you had fresh, it would be even better. I don't have any fresh right now. So that's it. I really do hope you like the canning recipe that came before this, and I hope everybody gives it a try. It is super delicious, and you can serve this again with a salad, or you can put it on potatoes. Oh my gosh, there's so many ways to do this. You could actually use this for a pot pie if you wanted to. So if you like that recipe, hit the thumbs up for me. And if you have any questions or anything about the canning of this, just leave them in the comments below, and I try and make sure I get to everybody. So until next time, stay safe.